Check out FAZT, the Formulator Assisting ZetaSperse tool, which can now be accessed via your mobile or desktop device. FAZT is an online tool designed to help formulators of coatings and inks quickly find a ZetaSperse dispersant product recommendation for the specific pigment grade being utilized. Populated with over 1,000 different pigment products, this tool instantly recommends the optimal dispersant choices based on our experience and testing. It also highlights the benefits and characteristics of each product recommendation, calculates a starting point formulation based on the desired pigment loading, and with a single click allows you to print or email it to yourself or a colleague. Starting with the website fazt.com, the homepage provides either mobile or desktop options. We'll select desktop for demonstration purposes, but the mobile access functions comparably. On the FAZT interactive webpage, we see the first steps in the process, the search and selection of your specific pigment grade. There are a variety of paths to take. You can search by a name or string to find your specific grade, or filter the database by color, color index, or supplier. We'll use color and color index to quickly find a phthalocyanine green 7 pigment. We will select green, we'll trim our database with the color index number, and then scroll down to find the grade you are looking for. We will now reset the tool and try this another way. Using the search string, we can quickly find the same pigment. By clicking on the pigment grade, the tool populates the first step of the starting point formulation with that selection. Scrolling down, we can see this. We now have the option to select the preferred pigment loading. The tool defaults to a common base loading for this pigment chemistry, but we will adjust it to 42%. The next step is the selection of the dispersant. By clicking on that button, the tool displays the top 3 ZetaSperse dispersant recommendations for this specific pigment grade. Some highlights of each product's specific performance advantages are listed to aid the selection. We will select ZetaSperse 3700. Pressing the button returns us to the application, and we now see the recommended dispersant loading is provided. This amount is for the total formulation and is already adjusted for the pigment loading and dispersant activity. The next step is choosing a defoamer from a selection of suitable products. Scrolling down, we will find Aries 870. At this point, the simple formulation development process is complete. You can note the information, but we also provide the option to email or print the formulation. Email selection asks for a name and email address. You can send this to yourself or a colleague. The print option displays the formulation in a basic format suitable to send to any device. And lastly, there is a final link for sample requests if you need an additional sample to try out your new starting point formulation. Our enhanced FAZT tool is a leading industry formulation selection tool that can help you find the right technical solution quickly and efficiently. It is easy to access from your mobile or desktop device. It has an extensive database of global pigments and suppliers, and it provides specific dispersant recommendations for each pigment as well as top-performing defoamer recommendations. Go to fazt.com today and start solving your technical problems quickly and efficiently.